Um, Hi everyone. This is Gwila Adedayo, and first of all, I want to thank you guys for watching my video and subscribing to my channel. I'm very grateful with that. And based on the review I got to my last video, some persons wanted to know how to manipulate simple meshes in Blender and to understand the user interface of Blender. So I'm going to be working on that today. Um, First of all, what you want to do is to open your Blender software. Mind you, I'm using Blender 2.79. It's kind of not the new version or the newest version of Blender, but we are good with it for now. And so, okay, I think my screencast tool is on. Okay, anything I'm going to be working or any keys I'm going to be pressing will be shown here, right here. This is where the screencast tool is displayed. Okay, so first of all, when you load your Blender application, you are going to see this, what is called our scene. And on the scene we have the camera, we have the lamp, and we have the Blender startup file box. And so we'll explain more on what the camera does and the lamp. Maybe I'm going to make a video on that, I don't know, but I'm going to explain a little bit of that today. First of all, what we want to do is to hide these two. You right click on them, then hold shift down, then you click. You will see what I'm doing here. Focus on this if I'm too fast or something. So you press H for hide, or simply you can this is a longer process. Let's keep that for now. So we are going to be using this to work, but I want to delete this just for us to understand a little bit about the Blender user face user interface. Okay, yeah. If we want to add meshes into our scene, we have to move to add mesh. You see, there are a lot of things you can do. Yeah, this was for adding curve meshes. Yeah, you add surfaces. We'll talk about that maybe later. Yeah, meatball are kind of soft meshes. They can be used to make some. You can be used to make objects that are softer looking, like meats and things like that. Yeah, for making text, Blender accept text, um, then so on, and there are plenty. Okay, for now we are going to click on add mesh. Then we are going to add cube, or you can simply use the shortcut, which is simpler to do. Advise you learn a lot of shortcuts on Blender. So the shortcut is Shift A. That's, you see, add mesh cube. Now this is our cube. We have a cube to work on Blender. What are we going to be using this cube to do today? Like you are seeing in my picture, we are going to be using this to create a let's say chess box. Okay, let's create a chess box. Okay, very good. Now we have to go into edit mode. You cannot just edit this without going into the edit mode, and so this is where you move to the edit mode. We have texture paint mode, we'll talk about later, weight paint mode, black text paint, sculpt mode. We have the object mode, which we are presently on, and the edit mode. You click on edit mode to move. But the easier and simplest way, the shortcut to do this, you just click tab to switch from edit to object mode, tab to switch from edit to update mode. So now I'm on edit mode. Everything, you can see everything is selected. My whole box is selected. If I don't want this, I press A to deselect them, or I shift to Control Tab to face selection, or simply come here, fake selection. This is my fake selection, then I click on it to deselect them. So okay, now okay, yeah, let me explain the selections we have in our edit mode. Yeah, this is called the vertex selection. In the vertex selection mode, see these points here are what we select. They are called vertex. in any 3D or in the world of 3D. They are called vectors, and they are kind of your wireframe. They make up your workflow, and you can manipulate them by selecting on them. See what I'm doing? I'm manipulating it on the y-axis. Escape or Ctrl Z. If I mistakenly do something like this, Ctrl Z to go back to my normal shape. Next is what we call our edge select mode. In edge select mode, this is what we select. You see, you can manipulate them from this angle, from the edges. You manipulate from the edges in edge select mode. Now lastly, we have the face select mode. In the face select mode, see, select the face to manipulate faces to manipulate our objects. Okay. What did I do? Okay, Ctrl Z to go back to my box. So what are we going to be doing here? We are going to be making a chest out of the box. Okay, what do a chest look like? Okay, to my knowledge, there are many references of a chest. You can go online to check for references, but I'm going to be doing a simple chest. Okay, I'm going to hit A to select all, or okay, I'm in wireframe mode. I select all my faces by clicking holding shift down and clicking This is going to be a stressful way to go about this. It's a stressful way, so I'm going to click A. Okay, and then I'm going to scale my boss. S for scale, scaling. You scale and resize. When you're scaling, you resize. See, that's what scaling does. Okay, then we have the arrow for rotate. It rotates. You manipulate by rotating your box. You can see. Then we have which other one? We have G for grab. G is to grab. That's to move. You see what I'm doing? We have I think that's all presently. If anyone comes to it, I'm going to tell you about that. So we're going to scale this a little bit, something like this. Let's give it this size. Okay, and what I'm going to be doing is scaling. Okay, let's see. I scale this. A to select all as usual. Scale this on the x-axis like this to make my okay. Before I go on, just like in the real world, we have 3 axes in Blender or in any 3D software. The axis, we have the x-axis, this, we have the y-axis, this, and we have the z-axis. You can see z-axis. When you click on them, they move only on each axis. Z, Y, Z. Okay, this is the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so like I said, we are going to scale on the x-axis. Scale X. You click S, then X. Scale. You can be creative with this however you want, but like I said, I'm doing a simple chest box. Okay, so we are good with this. Now a chest box needs to look some interesting. Can't be this, can't just be an ordinary box. So I advise you go to wireframe mode, Z. Click on Z to go to wireframe mode, then B to box select. Click B to box select. Order. Okay, let me go over that again. B, then you hold down, you left click if I'm right, yeah, then you select where you want, dragging it along there. Okay, let's say I'm selecting just the top. I need just the top to be selected. Okay, no need to even do that. Okay, you can simply go to our fake select mode and select just the top. Now what we are going to be doing is scaling this top to make it look interesting. Okay, something like this, okay, Z back. Now we are on this face. You see, we are going to make this box hollow to have a depth inside, so we can see, in a chessboard we are expected to keep something in a chest box inside. So what we are going to be doing is click on the face, I to intrude. Yeah, you intrude in. Okay, to anyway you can intrude to this, to according to your taste. You can be creative with this, but I'm good with this. Then after that, E to extrude. Click E, then Z to extrude on the Z as 6. You can extrude out, but E, then Z. E, E, Z. Could already click Z. Okay, you can see, you can extrude on the Z and Y axis anyway I want, but you extrude in the box. Okay, this is happening because I was not meant to do this scaling before this, but no, nevertheless you press X to scale and scale it in, so it goes all the way in. Yeah, something like that. Now we got ourselves a little chest box. Yeah, okay. Now what we are going to be doing is to add it, give it some effects that will make it look interesting. Okay, in that case, Ctrl R to add new I don't know what this is called, but to add new edges. That's the simplest explanation I can give you right now. To add new edges, let's say I put a new edge here. Okay, no, that one bit dope. Delete that. Ctrl Z, Ctrl R. Let's see, I put an edge here. Okay, Ctrl R again. You can actually do this by clicking the middle mouse, rolling it up to multiply it, but let's go with the basics. Let's say I put another one edge here. Okay, now I got new edges. I got myself new fine edges. Okay, we can add some other edges here. Ctrl R. Let's say we put one here. Ctrl R again. We put another one. Yeah. Okay. Now, what are we going to be doing with these edges? That's what we are going to see now. Okay, face select mode. The easiest way to do this is to Ctrl Tab, face select mode. Click on the edge here. Shift. So we are doing this just to make it look interesting. Shift. Click on all edges. Shift. After that, now we can extrude our edges. No. Okay, let's do this one by one, so we do not extrude in the wrong direction. Okay. Sorry, I want to first click this edge, then this E to extrude. On the E to extrude on the y-axis this time around, something like this. Let's say something like this will do. Okay, click this edge, that face. You can click this face. You can be creative with this, however I'm just showing you how to do this. E to extrude, escape. E to extrude on the x-axis because we are facing this side. Let's see, we give it this again and see what I'm doing here. I'm creating some fine edges just to make our treasure box looks scarier, our chest box. Okay, then E again to extrude on the y-axis this time around, something like this. You can do this any way you want, you don't need to copy what I'm doing. Okay, shift again, E to extrude again, escape, E to extrude on the x-axis. Okay, here we go. Now we have made some fine edges. Okay, then what else can we do to make our chest box look badass, like I'll say? Okay, let's say we give it something like this. Control R, okay, double, let's say I put like that's 4, I think that's 4. Let's put it somewhere around there. And for these new faces, 100 tabs into face, I click just this. I'm trying to do something creative. Okay, sorry. E to extrude on the y-axis, extrude it out, something like this. Same thing with this. E to extrude y-axis, something like this. I'm just playing with this. I'm just doing whatever comes to mind to make our chest box. It's just an example on what you can do with Blender. I manipulated my box to get something like this. Now I think that's enough detail for now. We are going to be adding a cover for this. Okay, to add a cover, a simpler way to do this, would have done Shift A to add. Let's see, we add a plane. Okay, you have to resize your cover, then you scale on the x-axis. Okay, pardon me. Let's see, yeah, scale X to have a perfecto cover lead. Okay, scale Y. Okay, this is perfect. We can't just leave our cover like that. It's not going to be interesting. It's a chest. A chest needs to look symbolic, needs to look haunted, needs to look scary, and so on. So okay, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be giving this our cover some thickness, and to do that, you go to the modifier here, add modifier, solidify modifier, give it a little bit of thickness. Let's say I give it 0.2. Okay, to see this, let me bring it up. Okay, you can see that our cover lead is thick. It's thick now. Okay, thick like thick. Wow, thick. TK fly. Oh wow. Okay, that apart. So okay, what are we going to add? Let's say we add another edge cut, another edge loop. Control arrow for, okay, Control Z. Don't forget Control R to add edge loop. Oh, we add it here. What I'm going to do is to raise the cover to make it look. This is my way of doing this. You can have there are various ways of creating a cover. I'm just showing you the basics of doing this. Okay, I extrude. Okay, let me give you a better view. Control Z. If you are too fast of what I'm doing, you can see everything I'm doing at this side. Okay, E to extrude Z. Oh, sorry. Escape. E, extrude on the Z axis. Oh, sorry. That's the edge. Okay. Not the face. Okay, no need. E. Control Z. I brought that out already. Control Alt Z. Look cut. Okay. You take your look. Oh, I said how to give you a better view. You take it up. You take it up. Okay, we succeeded in giving it a kind of scary look. Now you can see that we have how will I put it? We have a space under. To cover up this space, what you are going to do is tab. Okay, sorry. A to select all. Go under your lookup P. Okay. Okay, sorry. Edge. Take it to edge. Sorry. Tab. Edge selection. Okay. Click that edge. Hold on to shift. Click the other edge. Then F to create a face. F to create a face. Okay, I forgot to click the other edge here. What face does actually is to create a new face for our work, another place. Okay, another F to create a face to cover our space. Okay, now I've succeeded in covering my lead. Okay, what I'm going to do next is to add some effects to my lead. Some effects, like, okay, to make it look scary, like I said. Okay, Control R to add new look cuts. Double it, however you want. Oh, sorry. I want to be working with this face selection. I want to be working with my lead. Control R. Okay, double it however you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 is an even number. Let's go to 12. 11, 12. Okay, I think this is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, we've gone beyond that. It's still good. We can work with this. Okay, face select mode. I select this face. Select that. You can be creative however you want. I'm just doing what comes to my mind. Okay, yeah, so we have selected that. Now what we are going to be doing is extruding the faces. Mind you, before we extrude, E to extrude on the Z-axis. Okay, I think this is cool. Now it's looking scary. It's looking scary. Okay, chap. Yeah, now you can see our chest box is coming out. Lastly, for this um okay. I want to select the whole of my box. What I'm going to do is Z. It looks complicated, but you understand this easier. B, box select my lead. I hope this works. Tab. Okay, Z. Sheets. Oh yeah. Okay. I wanna. You want to make sure you do that too. If you mistakenly select your box. Uh, I think some edges are selected. Tab edge. Deselect all these edges. Wow, this kind of looks complicated. Well, okay, I hope we are getting a little bit of something today to take home with. Okay, that's okay. What I wanted to do is, when you find chest box, I just want to add some kind of lovely effect to the scene. I don't just want to close my chest box. I want to you can close it if you want to. Shit. Okay, G to grab. Oh, why is my chest box having, I think some edge are still collected. Why am I not seeing this Z to see what edges mother, what edges. Okay, let me see. Let me back this. What do we do? Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay, B. So select those. B. B. Um, I want to unselect this. Once on the floor. I'm going to do. Okay, let's try this again. B. Sometimes Blender can be annoying and complicated. Ctrl Z. B. B. Okay, you know what? Better still. B. Ah. This is annoying, right? I'm coming. Okay, you know what? Better still, what I'm going to do is, let's go to face, select Z, unselect everything. This can be hard, but we have no choice. We have no choice. We have no choice but to do this. We have no choice. Now the wireframe seems complicated. Oh, mind you, as you are doing this, hold shift down, which I was not doing. Select, make sure you select the whole face. Okay, first, if I were you, I'll first select the top faces. This is a long process, and don't want to bore us. We're trying to fix the problem with my wireframe. That's why I'm taking this process. Okay, I don't know what happened over there with my wireframe, but even a little chest, I quote, can be complicated sometimes. Oh, that glitters. Okay, that's not funny. It's not needed. Okay. Um, sorry. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what else. What am I missing here? What am I missing? Dora will say, "Can you see what I'm missing?" Okay. I don't know. You don't. So you can see what I'm missing. Okay. I think we are good to go, except for the face. Oh shit, Bolix. We got a lot of face underneath to deal with. A lot of faces. Bolix. Okay. This just a scope I'm trying to take a shot. A long cut is choice work. Okay, I think I've gotten everything. Okay. Now, for this problem not to happen again, what I want to do is I want to detach my lead from the box. So by doing this, I have to press P, that's selection, separate by selection. P is to separate it. Now I've succeeded in I'll be separating my boxes. Now see, I can't edit this again in edit mode. I can't edit this lead again in edit mode. I can only edit the plates. So to edit the lead, I have to go back to my tab, to my object mode, click on the lead tab to edit my lead. You can see the difference. That's even good. This has brought us to learn something new. Okay, A to selector, tab. I can work in object mode now since they are separated. Oh shit, Bolix, what's happening there? What's happening there? Okay, tab. I think I did not select that. XP. Sorry, P. X is to delete. P, my parent tab. I'll have to join this and that. Control J to join object. Okay. Okay, now we are good. Now what I wanted to do was to add some effects by making my lead slide off my cut. My lead slide off the chest. Okay, like something like this. You can do it however you want. You can just fix it like this, so it seems like it's opening, something like this. That's cool. But me, I want to rotate this to let's see. We are not making an animation. If not, it would have been dope for you to see how it's sliding up off my curve. Okay, now I think this is good. This is good. Yeah. What we have here now, you can see a chest box. So you can smoothen it up by pressing smooth, but it doesn't look dope, does it? it doesn't. I want to put this on flat for now. I'll explain what that means. Let's see. Flat. Explain what that means. Okay, what next? Let's give it some materials. That's another good thing. Materials in Blender or in 3D world means adding colors to your objects. That's what we mean by adding materials. So this is the material. Adding more place. You come to this part of your screen. You see it here. New material. Oh, okay. Sorry. Make sure. Sorry. Info. Okay, like you see, I'm in Blender render. Make sure you're in Cycles render for this. Cycles render is a bigger engine and a better engine. If not, it might not be the fast. It might not be a faster engine, but it releases picture in higher resolution and clearer value than that of Blender render. So I changed to Cycles render. I don't know what really Blender game does. I'm finding out on that, but I'm guessing it's about game and something. So Cycles render. Okay, Cycles render. Okay, we are going to add a new material. Use nodes. Diffuse material. Let's work with. What can a chest? A chest has to be. Has to be looking metallic for air SDF as it is will work for this. But you can go to your material viewport here to see what you are doing. Okay, I think I clicked that for this. Let's see. Let's change the color to something goldish. Let's see a pic of what we have done. A pic, sorry. Render. This is your box. Yeah. Well, you know what? Okay, so having fixed the materials for our chest, what we are going to be doing next is to add a plane where the chest can sit on, not in this live float, except you are talking about a bird, airplane, and so on, but they always find their way to the ground. So what we are going to do is Shift A, add mesh plane, scale your plane. I'm going to give this scale, let's say 100. Let's give it a value of 100. That's cool with me. Okay, we are going to do this down, take it down. You can easily go here, view, orthographic view, view, front view. Where is the front? I don't use this. Or easily you can go to 5 orthographic, going out of orthographic numpad 5, going in orthographic front 1. Okay, so we take it up. Good, so it sits directly on it. And what next? We hit our lightning. I think I'll put it back. Let me hide it again. Then Alt H. Now we are going to set the lamp. The lamp, I'm giving it a sun lamp. Or let's work with spots. Scale. Let's work with the spot lamp for today. Size, let's see about the size. So it looks mystical, light spotting on it, like wow, I've seen my treasure, like you understand that. Okay, let's give it a spotlight, something like this. Okay, then let's see how it looks rendered. Okay, this is our final render, and this was what we were able to render. Okay, you can image save file. I want to save it as, I just want to save it as, let's just give it chest. Okay. Oh, that's wrong. I wasn't seeing that. Okay. Yeah, and so that's how we make a treasure chest in Blender, or that's how we manipulate objects in Blender. And okay, do not forget to subscribe to the video, to my channel, sorry, hit like on my video, and you can click on the bell button to get more notifications and when next I release a video. Thank you.